I was sent this air duster from Gulu. This is the F1. This is a very high-powered and compact air duster. It's probably the best one I've seen to date. I mean, this one just really, literally blew me away. I've tested several other of these compact versions, different brands. Here's another one that uses a Makita battery, this kind of blower. But let me tell you what, talk about a product in a small package. This thing is the most compact and the most powerful that I've seen yet. Here's what you get in the box. You're going to get the instruction manual, the device itself, a couple attachments, and a vacuum component too. So not only is it an air blower compressor, like a leaf blower, but also a vacuum too for really tight spots. You're going to get a charging cable. You're going to get a wand here that can be connected to the vacuum to get into tight crevices. If you're cleaning your car, this would be a great tool for that. So the most ingenious thing right off the bat that I noticed is the use of magnets. So this whole nose cone here is attached with very strong magnets. I mean, it jumps right on into place. Really well done, because it's not going to come off in normal use, but it's very easy to swap out the attachments that they provide you. Now, you could use this to inflate a ball, inflate balloons. They give you a couple different options here because they can all just simply attach onto the front like this. And with the different nozzles, you can use them for different purposes. This one here has got a bit of a rubber shroud around it, so that would be great for inflating a child's float or basketball kind of tools like that. Anything that you can just put this onto a nozzle and then inflate, right? So lots of different options with that. Then as well, on the suction side over here, you can attach a whole vacuum component. So this has got a filter inside, right in here. And then you can draw any debris into here, capture it, and then empty that out later. And then the filter protects the blower from any damage. So it's going to suck that in through there. Really ingenious. And then, of course, you can do this wand here too, like this, so you can get in tight spots for cleaning your car. It's going to charge with a USB-C cable on the bottom, and it's actually got a flashlight too. USB-C, just plug it right in there, charge it back up. You don't need to use compressed air anymore. You don't need to use anything like that. You can just keep charging this over and over again and it'll work. It's also got a light on the bottom, an LED light. If you just press it once, it's on a constant light there. Tap it again, it'll do a flash like an SOS. Tap it one more time, it does a slow pulsing flash, and then one more time to turn it off. Pretty handy, so you can get into dark places and you can see what's going on. So now I'm going to go ahead and use it in the blower mode here. What you can do is press and hold, and it's going to give you the full, it's like 160,000 RPM. Or if you just press it 2 times and tap it, you've got 3 different modes. Each tap will go to a higher speed, from a very low speed to medium to high. So let's test out all 4 modes here. I'm going to press and hold. While I'm holding that, I'm getting the max output from the device. But now if I press it twice, I'm going to be getting 1 light there, and I'm on a very slow push there, just very gentle air coming through. Now I'm in the medium, I've got 2 lights, and now I'm in the high, and it's flowing pretty good. And then press and hold, and it'll turn off. So these 3 modes might be useful for things like inflation and other things where you need to have a little bit more control over how much air is coming out. Because even though this is small enough to fit in my hand, it is blowing a ton of air. So it's great for things like cleaning a keyboard. You might put one of the more focused points on it like this here. You're going to be able to just like press and hold and blow all that crud out of your keyboard. You got any potato chips or any junk in there? I'm going to also use this thing as a leaf blower, if you can believe it. So there you go. I am really impressed with this Gooloo F1 air duster. This thing's just got a ton of power in such a compact little unit. and rechargeable. It's a whole game changer as far as a compact portable air duster to keep with you. Hey, I hope this is helpful to learn a little bit more about this product, and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.